In August and September of 1942, an army paper exercise named Cavendish was held in Area C based on Southampton for the special purpose of selecting and earmarking suitable sites for the marshalling camps. The governing factors were the capacity of the port, the road system, and concealment from the air. Originally designed to accommodate 12,000 troops, Area C was now extended to 4 times the capacity of the port. Thus, the total capacity area was fixed immediately prior to D-Day to a capacity of 53,750 men and 7,070 vehicles. As a further outcome of the exercise, each of the 25 camps, which were eventually built in the area, were laid out in the form of blocks, holding 500 men. Each block was subdivided into villages holding about 100 men. 50 pyramidal tents, each accommodating 10 men, went to the making of a block, a portion of tents being set aside for the use of commissioned and senior non-commissioned officers. The basic layout of the camps decided, the real work began. New camp roads had to be made and old ones improved. Later tents had to be pitched and numbered. Paths had to be recce and marked with posts and wire or posts and saplings. Fences, signs, both plain and illuminated, had to be made or erected so that transit troops could find their way about the camp by night or day. Slit trenches dug and numbered against bombing attacks, vehicle standings prepared. Above and beyond this, the whole camp organization had to be set up, including stores, cookhouses, dining tents, and entertainment centers. All through the remainder of 1943 and the early part of 1944, the Royal Engineers, aided latterly by the administrative troops attached to the camp, were kept hard at work.